Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not letting you log in. First, let's cover some quick checks. Always confirm your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent access. Next, visit the official Roblox status page to see if there are any platform-wide issues. Sometimes, the problem isn't on your end. Also, ensure your computer or phone's date and time are set correctly, as this can surprisingly cause login failures. If basic checks don't resolve the issue, let's troubleshoot your application or browser. Corrupted cache files or cookies can often block your login, so clearing them is a good step. Browser extensions, such as ad blockers or VPNs, might also interfere with Roblox's authentication. Try disabling them temporarily. For browser users, attempting to log in via a private or incognito window can bypass many common browser-related problems. Now, let's focus on your account and security settings. First, carefully re-enter your username and password, checking for any accidental typos. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Your firewall or antivirus software might be blocking Roblox. Ensure you allow it unrestricted internet access. For two-step verification problems, check your email's spam folder or use one of your backup codes. If you've tried everything else, consider these advanced steps. Reinstalling the Roblox application can resolve deeply rooted software glitches. Also, ensure your network has UDP ports 49,152 through 65,355 open, as Roblox uses these for connection. If problems still persist, gather all relevant details and contact Roblox customer support directly for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.